Hey, welcome back to my channel. Chantel here. If you just see me for the first time, thank you for joining today. If you like what you see already, please subscribe. Also turn on your bell icon and leave your comments in the comment section. Give this video a thumbs up as well. Thank you so much. This video is my 10 minutes quick out of the door type of makeup. This is the type of makeup I used to film most, if not all of my videos. Most of my videos actually, not all of them, because sometimes I have time on my hands and I just want to slay extra. So this is the simple type of makeup. There's no eyeshadow, there's no eyelashes, just quick and out of the door. I can actually pull off this makeup look between 10 to 15 minutes max. So when most of you compliment me on my glowy face, this is the type of makeup I do. Alright, so if you like to see that, thank you for watching. First off, I like to prep and prime my face. This is the MAC Prep and Prime Natural Radiance Base Lumiere. Massage it into my face just to give me that hydrated look. And yeah, that's that with that. Next thing I like to go in with is another primer, but this I only put on my T-zones. This is the Becca Ever Matte Pore Perfecting Primer. Apply on my T-zones. Those are the areas where I get oily quickly. And what's left on my fingers, I just slide over my eyebrow so that it makes it less oily. With that, prep is complete. Next thing I do is to fill in my brows while I wait for the primers to sink into my skin properly. I'm using this eyebrow pencil from a Nigerian brand called BeautylinebyDidi. All I do is just brush the brows upwards, fill them in lightly. With this technique, you don't need to be a pro in filling in your eyebrows. Just follow the natural shape and fill them in. Once I'm okay with the outcome, I just go in with concealer that is one shade lighter than my skin tone and just clean underneath the brows. My brow process is so simple. I don't do anything extra. That's why my brows always look really natural. So I'm done with that. At this point, the primer should have been well absorbed into my skin. Then I go in with foundation. This is the Revlon Colorstay foundation, my favorite foundation at the moment. 24 hours wear. This is the one for combination / oily skin, shade 450 Mocha. Trust me when I say this foundation is good, because I have tried loads and loads of foundation. If you see my foundation drawer, you'll know that I have loads of foundations from high-end to drugstore, but I've not seen any foundation that lasts as long as this one does. It's so good. The one that is closer to this for me is the L'Oreal Infallible. That's my next best foundation. But this one, this Revlon one, it's so good, especially for humid climate like here in Nigeria. This is the Fenty Beauty foundation brush. I go in with 2 pumps, by the way, not more than 2 pumps, because I don't like a lot of foundation on my skin. And with how hot Nigeria is, you don't need a lot of foundation, to be honest, so that it doesn't start melting off your face. So you need very little, avoiding underneath my eye area so that it doesn't crease when I apply concealer. Because I don't use beauty blender to press in my foundation, I go in with the brush for longer so that I can actually blend the foundation in properly, so there are no patches anywhere and everything is well married in together. This foundation is the true definition of "you don't move." Done. Next, I go in with concealer. This is the Fenty Beauty concealer and this is in the shade 420. The blendability of this concealer is superb, like it's so good. Going back in with my brush, I just press it in. I like the highlight underneath my eyes to pop more. I go in with another concealer, a lighter shade this time. This is the Nuban Beauty In My Skin concealer in the shade, I don't know the shade that's cleared off, but yeah, it's a Nigerian brand and it's called Nuban Beauty. Next, I'll go in with setting powder. This is from a Nigerian brand as well called Flawless Ivy. This is their setting powder in banana. With this 10 minutes makeup look, I don't bake. I just apply the setting powder and brush it off. For this, I'm using my blending sponge from Nuban Beauty, the Nigerian brand I initially mentioned. I also like to set underneath my jaw. I sweat there a lot, so Setting powder helps keeps the makeup in place for longer. Whatever is left on the sponge, I just tap on my eyelid because, like I mentioned, I don't use eyeshadow for this quick makeup, but I like my eyelid area to stay matte all day. Once that is done, I start to sweep off the excess powder because we're not baking. Next, I'm going to set my whole face, and this is the MAC Studio Fix powder in the shade NW44. This is my powder brush from Real Techniques. Sweep it all over my face. Once I'm done with that, I go in with bronzer because my face is looking really flat. I need to get more definition on it. This is the CoverGirl bronzer, the popular one. It's all jacked up. The packaging is all jacked up, so I can't even read anything on it. Contour for my nose. This is the ABH Contour kit in Tan to Deep. Whatever is left on the contour brush, I just sweep on my eyelid just to mimic eyeshadow to make that area a bit more defined. Next is highlighter. This is the MAC Extra Dimension Skinfinish Trio. It looks like, I always like to slide my brush across all three colors and just apply, add a bit underneath my brows for that lift. Next is blush. The favorite one I like to use for makeup looks like this is the Raisin blush from MAC. I really love this color. I really dig it. So on my cheeks, I also like to pull it upwards. Next thing I do is set my brows with a clear setting gel. This is from Block Beauty Cosmetics, a Nigerian brand. This is their eyebrow setting gel in the shade Clear. Mascara. Wake my eyes up. This is the MAC Extended Play Giga Black Lash Mascara. That was a mouthful. Next is lip. My lip liner is from Colourpop. It's the BFF3 lip liner. This is actually my favorite brown lip liner. It looks so bad, so I can't even show you people, but yeah, the shade of brown is really good. I'm going to go over that with a nude lipstick. This one is from the collaboration between Makeup Shayla and Colourpop. It's in the shade Quickie. Just dab a little on my lips. I love my lips looking very sultry. I just go over that with clear lip gloss and blend it in properly. This is a very cheap lip gloss. It's really cheap. If you're Nigerian, you know this lip gloss. I think it was about 200 or 100 naira. In dollars, that's less than $1. To complete the whole look, I'm going to set my face with the Matte Fix Plus in matte. On this one, I'm going for a semi-matte look. I go over the Matte Fix Plus with the normal Fix Plus. This is more hydrating, so I think I'm going to do that today. This is what I do to achieve that glowy look you all see and admire, and they're like, wow, the glow is from within. It's actually not from within, it's from the makeup I applied. That's it. That's my quick makeup look. Let me go and arrange myself. I'll be right back. So yeah, this is my 10 minutes out of the door quick makeup look. I wasn't lying when I said this makeup takes at most 15 minutes. 15 minutes, that's if I have some distractions, but with 10 minutes I should be done with this makeup. It's so simple. Everything is straight to the point. There's no eyeshadow, there's no eyelash, there's no baking. Everything is just seamless and simple. Even if you're not a pro in makeup artistry, you can pull this off. This is a beginner friendly makeup look. Quick, you're going to work, you have an appointment that you're running late to, but there you need to show up looking good. This is your go-to type of makeup. Right about now, I have an engagement I need to attend and I need to look good for it, hence my opting for this makeup look. It's so simple, very beautiful. I really love it. This has been my go-to makeup look for the longest time. Nude lips, minimal products on the face, just straight to the point, and you're looking so bomb. Like, I really love it. Let me even admire myself again. Wow, can you catch that glow? Can you catch it? So yeah, that's it. If you learned something new from this video, please let me know in the comment section. If you enjoyed watching, give it a thumbs up, leave your comments as well, subscribe if you haven't already, share, okay? Thank you all so much. I will see you in my next video. Bye.